Hi, let's take a tour of this beautiful 4-bedroom house at New Legon, Adenta. It is going for 160,000 USD. New Legon is around Adenta Commandos, between Adenta Commandos and Lakeside Estate. There are only 2 units available, and this house is not too far from the New Legon International School. What we saw earlier is the carport, and then we enter through the living area. Very spacious with high ceilings. Very airy space. And very beautiful POP ceiling. So this is the guest washroom. Then the dining area. And then the kitchen. This house is about 98% complete. 98-99, a few finishing touches. Then it can be handed over to you. This is the pantry or storeroom. It comes with 1 room downstairs and 3 at the top. Additional storage space under the stairs, and then 1 bedroom downstairs. With a full bathroom and then fitted wall units and AC as well. Water heater, shower. So this is the 2nd bedroom, or the first we've seen upstairs. The washroom. the family area, really spacious. With a sink, and then finally the primary bedroom. Then finally, a balcony.